In about 3 minutes, I'm going to explain to you how you can update any motherboard BIOS to the latest revision. So let's get into it. Today I'm going to be using an MSI motherboard, but it should apply to every other motherboard, and it's a pretty similar process. First up, you want to grab a USB drive and then just plug that into your computer. Next up, you want to right click on the USB drive, whatever it might be called, click properties and then see if it says FAT32. If not, you have to change that, and there are plenty of videos out there that can do that for you. Next up, head over to Google Chrome and search up your motherboard model. I'm using the MSI B650I motherboard. Click on the website, then head over to the support tab. This is standard across every motherboard, and then you'll see BIOS. Now, it'll be the top one, that'll be the latest BIOS. You want to download that. Next, you want to click on the zip file, and then you need to extract all and select where you're going to extract it to, which is going to be in the USB drive. Click extract and that process should go underway. Alright, now it's all done. So it's been transferred. And then you just leave this right here in the folder. It might be a little different for other motherboards, but for most you just extract it straight onto the USB drive and it should be good. Next, on your motherboard, you want to check which USB port specifically you have to plug it into for updating BIOS, and for mine it's outlined as a little box. Next, you need to boot into the BIOS, so restart your computer while hitting the delete key repetitively. Just keep doing it until you enter the BIOS and you'll see when. Now once you're in BIOS, you might see your menu looks like this. It might be a little different, so what I always recommend is coming up here to advanced, and then you'll see always there will be a menu around here that says something like flash. Q flash I think is Gigabyte, M flash is for MSI. So yes, you want to click yes, and then that'll boot you into the BIOS flashing mode. And yes, your PC will restart. But yeah, across motherboard models, it's pretty similar. It'll say something along the lines of flash, easy flash, quick flash. Yeah, it'll be flash. Alright, now once you're in, you'll see on the left, you've got your disk drives. Now they're going to be called something different, but you can see here that we've got our SanDisk Cruiser. So we've got system volume information, and then we've got our BIOS. So we want to select the BIOS and then just hit enter on our keyboard, and then we'll scroll down to that file. Oh, hang on. And then you want to hit enter. And it should update the BIOS. Now BIOS is now updating. Do not shut off your system, it'll brick. So just make sure the power doesn't go out and you'll all be good. If it does, your motherboard may have BIOS flashback, which can help you, but if not, you will have to send it back to your manufacturer and then they can solve it from there. Be patient, don't touch the power, don't touch the computer or anything, don't do anything. Then once it's done, like you just saw, it'll restart the system, and the BIOS may have reset to default settings, but you'll just have to change them again. Then once you're done, you'll boot back into Windows. So yeah, that's how you update a motherboard BIOS in 2 minutes. If this video was any way helpful to you, please like, subscribe, do all the usual things, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm TechBiz, and I'm out.